Hello guys, today we are going to be looking at solution using Cramer's rule. Okay, and we have been looking at systems, linear systems. So if you are new here, make sure you subscribe and click the like button and the notification bell. Okay, so down to it. Okay, so based on the fact we've treated determinant of 3 by 3 matrices, uh, Cramer's rule and determinant rule methods in this series are restricted to 3 by 3 matrix and below, that is 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, but it can be applied, you can apply the principle to any size. Okay, so we are going to consider a 3 variable and a 3 equation system. Okay, so it's important for you to know that Cramer's rule and determinant rule methods, they have similarities. Okay, so it's very important for you to know the difference in those similarities so that you avoid confusion and ease of solving. Okay, so now, okay, so now consider a 3 variable 3 equation system. Okay, where we have a11 x, a12, a13 z equal to b1, yes, and two other equations, so each of them with 3 variables. Then x, which is one of the variables, is going to be equal to the determinant of x over the determinant d. Okay, so d is a determinant of all the constants. L dx is a determinant of, now this is what dx is about, it's a determinant of all our answers and then the constant of y and z. Okay, so this is the constant of z, and this is the y, this is constant of z, and then these are answers. Okay, so these are constant of x, constant of z, and these are answers, constant of x, constant of y, and then our answers. Okay, so now so now so here you interchange each column of coefficient for each variable you are solving for. It's d with the column at the right hand side. Okay, so like we have said now. Okay, so now when we are finding for x, when we have dx, we are going to put b1 here. When we have dy, we are going to put b1 here. When we have dz, we are going to put b1 like this. Yeah, okay, that being said, so let's look at an example. So it's just straightforward. Just know your these equations: x equal to dx over d, y equal to dy over d, and z equal to this, and then you just find for this. So we've treated determinants in matrices. Okay, so we are not going to be doing that. We just okay. So now down to it. If we have this, we should solve using Cramer's rule. Okay, so remember our x which we are looking for is going to be, sorry, our a which we are looking for is going to be dA over d. Our b is going to be dB over b, and then our c is going to be dC over d. Okay, so now you say d is a determinant of what? The constant, or that will be the constant, that will be 1, a, 2, and minus 3, and then we have 2 minus 3, 4, and then we have 3 minus 1, 5. Okay, so now if you find the determinant of this, you are going to be getting minus 28. Okay, so remember we are treating solution of Cramer's according to Cramer's rule. We are not treating determinants, so I won't be going into details about determinants. So I'll post a link below about determinants we've treated. Okay, so now this is it. Okay, so let me put the other ones now. For we have 2 minus 3, we have 4, we have 3, we have minus 1, we have 5. So now the constant we are working at which is A, we are going to substitute it with our answers, which is 533. Okay, so that will give us 533. Okay, hope we understand that. Okay, so from here we will now have that DA is minus 28. Okay, so similar thing with DB. So DB is, so we have 1, 2, minus 3. We are looking for B. So we have 3 minus 1, we have 5. So for B, I'm going to put here 5, 3, 3. Okay, so if you remember, uh, are going to be seeing that 533, 533. Okay, so this one, the determinant of B, which I've solved already, is 28. So I'm just here to explain Cramer's rule once again. Okay, so that we have 1, 2, minus 3. We have 2 minus 3, 4. So we are looking for C. So that will be 5, 3, 3. Okay, so this is equal to minus 56. Okay, so getting all our values of D, our DA, DB, DC. So we can now solve for our unknowns, which are A, which B, and C. Okay, so remember A is what? DA over D, B is DB over D, and then C is DC over D. Okay, so A, we got A to be what? Minus 28 over minus 28 divided by minus 28. This will give us 1. We have DB to be 28 and our D to be minus 28. Okay, so this will give us minus 1, and then we have our C to be minus 56 divided by minus 28. So this will give us 2. Okay, so now our A, B, and C is equal to 1 minus 1, 2. Okay, so this is our solution for the equation, where A is 1, B is minus 1, and C is 2. Those are the unknowns we are solving for in our equation this. Okay, so that's it for Cramer's rule. Make sure you subscribe, click like button, and share with your friends. See you next video. We'll talk on determinants rule.